In this video, I will guide you on how to use your phone as gamepad for your Google TV. So if you want to be able to play certain games on your Google TV that requires you to connect a controller or a gamepad to the TV, this video will show you an easy way to use your phone as a gamepad or controller to play any game or even control any brand of Google TV you have without any problem. Now, the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and get your Google TV remote control, and then you want to head over to the apps section over here. So come over to apps, and then you want to come inside of this input field, go ahead and search for Zank. Once you're done typing Zank, just like so, you want to click on the search icon over here, and from the search result of the Google Play Store, you're going to see this Zank Remote Control over here. Go ahead and select that. Then make sure you download and install this app into your Google TV. Once the Zank Remote app is downloaded and installed, before you open it up, you want to come back to the home of your Google TV, head over to the settings icon usually at the top right corner over here, open up the settings, and then you want to scroll down until you get to the system settings over here. Go ahead and select system settings and then to the about option. Now you want to continuously scroll down until you get to the built or Android TV OS built option. Once you get here, just continuously press on the OK button or select button for 7 times until developer options is enabled. Now you can see that I am now a developer. Go back to the previous option and you should be able to find the developer options over here. Select that, and then you want to scroll down continuously until you find the USB debugging option over here. Go ahead and enable this, so click on OK to enable it. Now finally, before you also open up the Zank Remote Control app, you want to come over to your phone, proceed to open up the Google Play Store or App Store, and then you just want to come over to the search bar at the bottom over here. Go ahead and search for the Zank Remote Control app as well, and then make sure you download and install this app again into your phone. And once you have it, you can go ahead and now open up the Zank Remote Control app from your Google TV. You can literally find mine over here. At this point, you just want to give it some few seconds, then click on the always allow from this computer, and then click on allow. Give it some few seconds again, and once you get to this page, come over to your phone and then open up the Zank Remote Control app as well. Give it all of the permission it requires, so click on allow. At this point, what you want to do is to click on the home icon over here, and this is actually going to prompt the app to start searching for available devices it can actually connect to. You can literally find my Google TV over here. I'll just go ahead and select it. If it does not find the name of your Google TV, you can just try and make sure that both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network, and you're going to see this pop up. Now go ahead and click on always allow from this computer again, then click on allow. And then at this point, to get the gamepad or controller feature from the Zank Remote Control, you want to click on this box icon at the top over here. Just click on it and then click on the gamepad icon, as you can see from over here. And now we have this gamepad that we can now use to control our Google TV and even play games on our Google TV without any problem. So you can come back to the home of your Google TV now, and I should be able to just navigate through my Google TV using my phone as a gamepad for my Google TV now. And as you can see, this really works. I'll go ahead and try playing a game. So I'll just download the beach buggy game. Okay, so the game has just started and you're going to see how this works now. So you can see I can literally control everything on the game using my phone as a gamepad or a controller. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.